what are some of the things that are actually causing patients to not move forward? So what are some of the landmines that we want to try to avoid?
Yeah, I mean, you have to be able to convey the importance to their overall health, to what you are recommending, the consequences of not moving forward with what you are recommending. So all of these things have to be intertwined with this rapport and trust building, right? So the rapport and trust isn't something that you go, okay, I've now built trust. Now I'm going to go super scientific and talk dentally to you and talk down to you and tell you that you need this or else. It is a matter of building trust and saying, hey man, if this was my mom, listen, this would have been done 10 years ago. Here's the consequences to your overall health. Now that you and I are peers, you and I are friends, and I've done the subtle work of building that trust with you. I'm just going to speak to you person to person, human to human right now. This is what's going on right now from a health perspective. Here's why it's important. So I think that people go directly to cost. People go directly to insurance benefits. People go directly to like, our schedule is open in 2 weeks. All of those things are important to convey, but first you have to sell the fact that they're going to be worse off not having this than they are having it. So then the price conversation just goes out the door. Right. That's just a small detail afterwards. People will figure out how to do it. If a cardiologist said that, hey, listen, we need to put a stent in there because your carotid artery is 90% blocked. People don't say, well, how much is that going to cost? Right.
Yeah.
And I'll be honest, a lot of cardiologists don't have to take the time that we do as dentists to build that rapport and trust. They have that authority because this is a life and death situation. But you still had to put yourself, get that hat on that says, hey man, this is really, really important, and here are the reasons why it's important. But you can't go to that unless you first build that rapport. It's very, very important.